So I know a lot of people were wondering about the new Microsoft Surface. Mine just came via FedEx. They go on sale today. So I've only had a few seconds to kind of play around with it. So forgive me if I'm still trying to figure this one out. But overall, it has this little kickstand thing here, and it's got the magnetic keyboard that just snaps in like so. And then you close it up. It seems a little weird that the microfiber felt or whatever this is on the opposite side, unlike the I guess that's to hide the keyboard. The kickstand it's pretty substantial. It's all metal. Overall, it's pretty light in the hands, much lighter than I thought it was going to be. But it's also a little big. So to compare this with the iPad, this is the iPad 3rd gen, so quite a bit taller, obviously in the widescreen format. It's okay to hold in one hand. This way it's a little awkward. To give you a sense of size, sit it there. This is the Nexus 7-inch tablet. This is one of my favorite I was talking about earlier this week. It's actually, I think it's about the same weight, maybe even lighter than the Kindle Fire, which is kind of surprising. That was the original Kindle Fire, and then there's the new Kindle Fire HD 7-inch. This one's definitely lighter, but kind of surprising that weight-wise, the Kindle Fire is, I don't know, this is pretty heavy. Anyway, so the tablet itself has the Metro interface. The power button is up here, so you can just toggle it on. This is the lock screen. You flip it open to see it, just like the Windows Phone or Metro UI, or now they're calling it the Windows 8 UI. So, and then you have all your different tiles here, and you swipe over to be able to see them, which anyone that's seen an Xbox or Windows 8 has all seen the Metro experience. Overall, it's the keyboard actually works surprisingly well. Let's see if I can find, and I guess just go to the web browser here and Google, or Bing rather, Surface. Pretty responsive. It's pretty much what you'd expect. Though when you move your mouse, let's see if reposition here. It actually has a mouse cursor down here in the trackpad with the keyboard. So it's a little odd. It definitely feels much more like this is designed to be a PC more than it is a tablet. Especially with the mouse notion. I've got two-finger scrolling, just like you do on my MacBook and most PCs these days. But then you also have like all the touch screen. The responsiveness is pretty good. I was actually in a Microsoft store last week playing with a touchscreen PC by Lenovo, and the touchscreen on this is much more sensitive. This is what you'd expect from a tablet. Anyway, it's pretty interesting so far. Again, it looks, here's Word. I'm seeing the familiar Windows desktop now. I don't know if I haven't actually used Windows in a while, so I don't even know what I'm doing. But I imagine this is just like what Windows 8 looks like. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, so you press the Windows icon to go back to the home screen. Yeah, I'll play around with it and post more things that I think